Hi, I'm Joshua Jones, Director at Studio Zone. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to share with you some digital tools that we leverage to communicate internally and also with clients. I feel like I always have the most fun designing when I'm drawing, and so whether I'm in my hand sketchbook or my iPad sketchbook, I always find myself drawing conclusions. iPad Pro is already a great tool, but there are a few accessories I'd like to show you. Not all screen protectors are created equal, and we found one by Paperlike that's fantastic. So with this particular screen protector, one of the things that make it really appealing is that it changes the tactile sensation of the screen to this kind of softer matte finish that really does a good job of replicating paper and the feel and sensation as you draw on paper. This is the first screen protector I'm actually installing on an iPad. I didn't really find others that I really liked so much, and so trying this one out was some risk. And there's 3 steps in order to get this specifically onto your screen. They give you everything you need in the package, including ways to clean it, and an instructional QR code that can be easily scanned. I will mention one thing you will need is probably some kind of plastic card or something. I used my AIA membership card to begin to get the air bubbles out once you place the strips and the tape according to how they've done it. But it was really simple and intuitive. And so what I found is the longest amount of time was just spent trying to get some of the air bubbles out so that the screen surface itself could be as perfect as possible. One last thing to mention is you can use the cleaning rag and your card or plastic device on top of it in order to get the last few bubbles out even after you've already set the screen protector and remove the protection. What I found was there were still a few bubbles that I didn't quite see right near the edges, and so I was able to use the cloth that comes with this whole system and use my card on top of that and still try to squeeze the bubbles without kind of damaging the surface or any of the finish. And then once I was done, I had this beautiful matte finish on my iPad Pro and a great tactility as I draw. And overall, I'm quite satisfied with this as a screen protector. So if you use iPad Pro, we invite you to just check out Paperlike and see if this screen protector is right for you. They send 2 in the package, so if you like it, share it with a friend or use it as a replacement screen when you can. Until next time, think, sketch, make.